Hey everybody, it's Chad, Nobody Else's Auto. Gonna bring some more cool iron tonight. Check out a few more over here in the new yard. Starting off with this big old Packard. Late 40s era Packard sedan. Don't know a ton about these cars. I've only had a few of them over the years. There's a few of them here in the new yard. So, gonna be learning more about them. But they're neat cars. They're a very unique design and something you don't see every day. So we're gonna take a quick look at this one. If we look at the front of this car while we're standing here, we can see it still has all the grill in it. All that grill stuff is all pot metal. And really surprisingly, it's in pretty good shape. It's not busted up. It's not missing big chunks out of it. So definitely a lot of hard to find pieces left right here on the nose of this car where we're starting. So we come around the side of this Packard. Not really sure what somebody was trying to do with this car. You know, front part of it here looks pretty good. We get into the back and both back doors are off of it. One of them's laying inside of it. And somebody, for some reason, started to cut this car in half. I don't know what direction they were going. I don't know what they were trying to do, but they cut across the roof, they cut across the bottom, and took the rear doors off of it. So they were apparently trying to split it in half for some reason. Who knows what? Who knows when it happened? You know, it was probably decades ago. So I have no idea where they were really trying to go with this thing or what they were trying to do. So the car, the body itself, it is just a four-door, and it is a rough four-door. But there again, these old Packards are not real plentiful. And this one still has a lot of good pieces on it. We can even see still got the trunk handle on it, even got the little lock cover on it. And this side's kind of the same thing. You know, the front part doesn't look bad, but for some reason they tried to cut the thing in half. I just don't understand. When you take a peek inside, it's still got the dash pieces and things like that in it, so. Still a unique old car, and definitely something that's not really savable, but it still has a lot of parts to give. So, next thing we've got to show you, we've got this little Mercury Comet here. Front clip's pretty much gone off this. We can see it was originally a 6-cylinder car, and really not much left in the front other than structure. You know, all the structure's pretty good. It's bent a little bit here, but the car wasn't wrecked or wadded up, so all this front doghouse stuff is still pretty straight. This is just a basic little four-door Comet, and but as we look around it, look inside of it, we can take a peek inside. Still got a lot of the dash stuff in it. Got some Fairlane trim laying inside of it even. Then we work our way on around the back, and a lot of the trim is still on the back of this car. Quarter moldings are there. It's got these ribbed panels on the back next to the taillights. The lenses are gone, but the taillight housings look good. Rear bumper doesn't even look too bad. So just a basic four-door Comet, and not a complete car, but these cars are so hard to find, and these parts are really difficult to come across. And this old car really is in pretty good shape with a lot of good stuff on it. So lots of good stuff left on that, on hard to find Comet stuff. One more we're going to check out, big old Cadillac. I think this one was a 67. This is a four-door sedan DeVille, but pretty much an intact car. We can see the whole front of this car still all there, really in pretty good shape. Front bumper straight, grille straight, headlight stuff is all there. Still got the cornering lights in it. We can even still see where they have the little turn signal indicators on the front fenders. Kind of a unique touch. And this car still has tires and wheels on it. Basically just looks like they parked it in here and shut the key off eons ago. So work our way on around the back. You know, somebody pried the trunk lid open and damaged that, but the rear bumper's still here. Even still got an original hubcap laying in the trunk of this thing. Then we come over here to the driver's side of the car. Kind of the same thing. Pretty straight old car. Still even got the hubcap on that wheel. I mean, basically just like it was parked here and shut off. We take a peek inside, and it's intact. It is weathered, it is aged, it's been sitting here for a long time, but it's there. It's intact, and there's a lot of good stuff left on it. And a lot of good trim on this car. We look at the mirror, we look at the wipers. All this chrome looks nice, the stainless looks nice. You know, these old Cadillacs are getting tough to find. A lot of these big old cars didn't get saved. And this one, probably a little too far gone to restore, but with tons and tons and tons of good pieces left on this thing. So somebody's doing one of these, there's going to be a lot of pieces there that can help out with somebody's restoration. So anyway, that's what we had to show you tonight. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're on Facebook, please share the video with your friends. Invite them to stop by, check out the page, give it a like so they can hang out with us. Keep up with all the new videos as we post them. If you're on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Check out all my other videos. It's all car stuff, old cars, trucks, memorabilia, all kinds of cool stuff. That's about all I know, so that's about all I can talk about. But anyway, Lots of fun doing these, but if you have any questions about vehicles or parts, anything you're building, anything you need, give me a call. That's the only way to get a hold of me, to have a conversation about your build. Year, make, model, body style, list of parts you need, what direction you're going with your build, things like that. All that stuff is critical for me to have, so I know if I've got something here that may help you. Because as you look around behind me, you can see I have more than 1 or 2 cars here. We have close to 1,400. So getting all that information from you is so critical, so I know if I've got something here that may be able to help you with your build. So as always, thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys taking a few minutes out of your evening to stop by, hang out with me, check out what we've got going on, and see what's happening around here. So stay tuned, more new videos coming up. Always do new inventory videos as they come up, so always want to catch those as well. Thanks for watching, everybody. We will see you soon on the next video.